Hey, what's up guys? This is MWT99, Anthony here. Decided now was a good time to make a vlog for the first time in who knows how long that has not been a YouTube short. Just so I can clarify what's been going on over these last couple months or so. First things first, when it comes to EAS alerts, literally the only alerts I've gotten this entire year so far have been required weekly tests. Let me show you guys a little bit of evidence for that. So, going back through my 25 alert log, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 alerts have been required weekly tests. There's this one rogue flood warning. Unfortunately, I missed that when I was out of the room and my camera was not recording because it only records when I leave the neighborhood. And so I missed that on accident. But before that, even more weekly tests. Literally endless amount of weekly tests. So far, I haven't even gotten the monthly test in who knows how long. Not sure what that's about. Now, when it comes to the weather around here, it is bitterly cold outside. See, the dew point is a measly 6.3 degrees. It's 36 degrees right now. It snowed a little bit last night. We got a trace. I moved my weather station up to the top of the roof, so I'll have way more accurate readings on all of this. So far, the wind measurements have been outstanding compared to when my weather station was over in the backyard. And of course, surprise, no more snow on the ground. Since we only got a dusting, it melted within a few hours this morning. Not even because the sun was out, but because it sublimated because it's so bone dry outside. Now, when it comes to my setup, there is a lot to cover, so let's get started. First of all, if you don't have to use the duct tape method to hold these panels up, don't do it. It's just been a pain in the butt ever since I put everything up. I've had panels falling off, I've had them peeling off, you name it. I mean, it's just constant maintenance. If I wasn't renting this place, you know these would be just... Second of all, got a new cable box. As you can see, it's not sticking anymore, so I got to do something about that. If you look in the back there, my network switch is starting to fall off, so got to do something about that. I'm eventually going to redo all of the cables on this setup once I'm done building the new PC to replace Big Red. And that brings up another topic too, which I'll cover in a second. I need to clean my freaking desk. Hey, this is pathetic. It's a pigsty around here. You can see all of the drinks that I've had up here, and it's just not sanitary. It's a pain to look at. I have to clean my keycaps, my mouse pad, you guys name it. This is a status update on the Little Red gaming PC build. Ignore the Xbox, but I have about half of my parts here already. I haven't showed this just because I'm going to leave all of the unboxings for a little reel. But I have the PC case, motherboard, power supply, NVMe SSD, and the CPU. And today I'm getting all of my RAM in the mail. So that means all that I will have left to get after today is the CPU cooler, the case fans, and of course the dreaded graphics card. And that's not counting all of the peripherals and accessories I'm going to be putting in. Then there's this. Way to go, GoLive X. Since day one I've had connectivity issues with this thing, and now 2 LEDs burn out on the side. First they went all blue, and then they just went out altogether, so more than likely I'll be getting a Govee Glide to replace this because this sucks. And now, speaking of Govee, I contacted Govee and they will be sending me a new control box for my Govee Flow Pros, one that has the proper hardware and firmware to run their new highlight feature. That means any other Govee products I have around the room, such as the LED strips and the Flow Pros and the Flow Pluses and the new RGBIC strips in the back, will all be able to sync to the Flow Pro camera right up top. And so my plan is to eventually move away from Life X and convert to Govee. That does not mean I will be selling anything. More than likely, all of the Life X stuff will be repurposed around the house, and I will make a separate video on that if it comes down to it. But for right now, everything's staying the way it is, since I am tight on funds, working part-time because I am a full-time college student. Maybe that'll change in the future, but for right now, the budget is very tight. Thank you guys so much for watching this update vlog. I will see you guys for the next video. Got a couple videos in my backlog ready to put out. Some that still need to be edited. A few of them I've been lazy on starting to edit. So thank you guys for the patience. I will see you guys for the next video and the next vlog.